Friends, I am Dr. Surjit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Signs, symptoms and uses of Homeo-Remedy Ferrum. Full name Ferrum metallicum. Short name Ferrum. Source element chemical world. Generalities. Iron is present in considerable quantity in blood, also in many articles of daily food. It affects the blood circulation, producing irregular distribution, congestion, irregular surging and pulsations. It relaxes blood vessels, causing bright red hemorrhage. It is adapted to young, anemic, pseudo-plethoric persons who, though look strong, are actually very weak, want to lie down most of the time. Dropsy, paralysis, emaciation, irritable body and mind, even cachexia may result from its deficiency. Relation with heat and cold patient, temperament, anxious, despondent, diathesis, hemorrhagic, miasm, Sora is in the background. Mental journals of Ferrum. Sensitive and excitable, words from least contradiction, weeps, laugh immoderately, weep, laugh immoderately, nervous and hysterical, slight noise intolerable, anxiety as after committing a crime, despondent after menses. Physical journals of Ferrum. Affect circulation, producing irregular distribution of blood, congestions, irregular surgings and pulsations. Relaxes blood vessels, causing bright hemorrhage with some clot in rapidly growing youths. Veins dilate during neuralgia, menses or fever. Adapted to young, anemic, pseudo-plethoric persons. Pseudo means false. False. Plethoric means fat, stout. Persons who, though look strong, are actually very weak and lie down in most of the time. Pallor of skin and mucous membrane alternating with flashes, dryness of mouth, throat, vagina, etc. Anemia of young persons with flushed face, cheeks but pale lips, delicate constipated girls with low spirits, muscles flabby and relaxed, dropsy or paralysis after loss of vital fluids. Now look at this two hand. This is dropsical hand and this is normal or healthy hand. This is dropsy. That is beneath the skin there is fluid. Physical symptom journals of Ferrum continuation. Red-faced old man, rapid emaciation, nightly pains that compel motion of parts, pressure on chest, stomach, etc. Irritable mind and body. Cachexia. Cachexia means the body is severely thin and undernourished. Softening of bones, cracking in joints, red parts pale. Catalepsy. Catalepsy is, epilepsy. In epilepsy, the person is in spasm. Now, if you just take a picture during epilepsy, a certain picture comes, and that certain picture is a cataleptic stage. Catalepsy means a particular stage in the epilepsy. Exophthalmic goiter from suppressed menses, spleen, left deltoid affection. Now mind it, this I have given you a figure of goiter here. This is goiter. Goiter means enlarged thyroid gland. But exophthalmic goiter is something else. Exophthalmic means this goiter, when the goiter become toxic and there are so many ill symptoms the patient suffers from, that is called exophthalmic goiter. Not all goiter are exophthalmics. Goiter plainly means enlarged thyroid. Spleen, left deltoid affection. General modalities: worse, night emotions, anger, violent exertion, eating, drinking, loss of vital fluids, sweats, eggs, heat and cold, sudden motion, raising arms, tea. Better, gentle motion, slight bleeding, leaning head on something. Head symptoms of Ferrum. Vertigo, worse, rising suddenly on crossing the bridge over water. Vertigo during headache, brain fag. Throbbing, hammering headache, starts in temple, extends to occiput. Words from coughing, stooping and descending stairs. better from letting hair down. Sudden pain over left eye. Sudden pain over left eye, yes, left eye. Writing causes headache to reappear. Head hot, feet cold. Eye symptom of cerebral. At night can see in the dark. Hysteria. Letters run together when reading or writing. Puffy eyelids, pain over eyes. Exophthalmic goiter after suppression of menses. This is called exophthalmic goiter. This is exophthalmos. Goiter actually is not seen here. Goiter means swelling of the thyroid gland, that is also there, and with this is the eye expression. It's called exophthalmos or exophthalmic goiter. Ear symptom pyramid. Oversensitive to noise. Noises in ear better from leaning the head on table. Ringing in the ears worse before menses. Nose symptom pyramid. Bleeding from nose in anemic patients, alternating with hemoptysis. You know, it is a bleeding in the mouth. Bleeding, bleed, rather spitting of blood from the mouth, as seen in tuberculosis or lung TB. Face symptoms pyramid, pale, flashes or redness from wrist pain. Emotions, exertions. Florid, feels as if bloated, lips pale. Neuralgia after cold washing or overheating. Worse from lying down, better from sitting up. Mouth symptom pyramid. Toothache better holding ice water in mouth. Tastes of blood or of rotten egg. That is in the mouth. Mouth dry, food seems to die. Throat symptom of pyramid. As if something rolling in the throat and closing it like a valve. Exophthalmic goiter, the same thing again. Sensation of a lump on the left side of the throat. Worse from empty swallowing. Stomach symptom of pyramid. Increase and loss of appetite alternately. Burning in stomach. Stomach won't tolerate any food. Causes distension and pressure. Aversion to meat, eggs, sour fruits. He's accustomed to tobacco and beer. These are all aversion. Desire for bread, raw tomatoes. Spit up foods by mouthful. Vomiting easy after eggs. Without nausea immediately after eating. After midnight during pregnancy. These are all related to actually this nausea or vomiting. Abdomen symptom of pyramid. Hard, distended, sore, bruised when walking. Bowels feel sore to touch. Painless diarrhea of undigested food. Worse after eating. Nightly, gassing, spluttering, alternating with constipation. Worse if nervous or tired. Stool hard, difficult, followed by backache or cramps in rectum. Prolapse recti, that is prolapse of rectum. Itching of anus due to ascarides in children. Summer diarrhea. Male symptom pyramid. Nightly emissions with backache after overexertion. Urinary symptom of pyramid. Albuminuria, chronic nephritis, involuntary urination, especially during day only, when standing from sudden movement, walking in children. This is in symptoms of children. In children, copious urination with nervousness, urine hot with menorrhagia. Menorrhagia means actually excessive menstruation. Menorrhagia, excessive menstruation, maybe during span of or amount, any longer days is longer, or furious profuse bleeding. All everything is called menorrhagia, excessive menstruation. Female symptoms of pyramid. Vagina too dry as if raw, insensible during coition, menses pale, watery, too early, too profuse and protracted, intermittent with labor-like pains, leukorrhea at puberty, milky, watery, acrid, tendency to abortion, prolapse of vagina, itching of vulva. Now, vagina and vulva, mind it, vagina is the canal for copulation, and vulva is the external genitalia of the women, and vagina is that organ for copulations. Respiratory symptoms of pyramid. Voice hoarse or changeable, Dry tickling cough, worse from movement, better from lying down. Spitting of blood of masturbators in consumption. Spitting of blood of masturbators in consumption. Surging of blood to the chest oppressed, constricted, or flying stitches in chest. Dyspnea better from walking slowly and talking. Cough with pain in occiput. Breathing hot. Neglected pleuropneumonia. Absorbed exudation. Absorbed exudation means the exudation of the lung is absorbed by with the help of this Ferrum-made medicine. That is absorbed. It is some sort of natural cure. And pleurodynia, actually the combination of disease, some sort of pleurisy is there and pneumonia is there. Combined disease. Pleurisy generally is from tubercular infection. Pneumonia is generally from other type of bacterial infection like pneumonia bacterial infection like staphylococcus, streptococcus, but pleurisy is generally from TB, tubercular infection. Heart symptoms of pyramid. Palpitations of masturbators from least motion. After loss of body fluids, better from walking slowly. Throbbing in all blood vessels. Pulse, full, soft, yielding. Neck symptoms of pyramid. Neck and back symptoms of pyramid. Neck and shoulder painful. Lumbago all night, goes up on rising. Lumbago means actually rheumatism of the waist. Rheumatism of waist is called lumbago. Extremity symptom of pyramid. Sudden cramps or tearing pain in the limbs. When writing, hands tremble. Better when writing fast. Irresistible desire to bend the arm with immense pain, intense pain. Hands and feet swollen. Heel pain better lying on back. Cracking in joints. Omodynia, contraction of limbs. Skin symptoms of pyramid. Pale, flushes easily. Pits on pressure, black or dark violet spots. That is skin. Sleep symptoms of pyramid. Falls asleep from debility while sewing, sitting, studying, sleeplessness. Fever symptoms of pyramid. Chill with red face and thirst. Heat with distended veins. Extremities cold. Heat, head and face hot. Sweat, clammy, yellow, cold, acrid or debilitating. Debilitating means actually weakening. Complementary medicine, China. Related medicine, arnica and manganum. With this, the video ends. Thanks for listening, viewing. If you got any problem, please write it in the comment section. I would certainly attend.